When you check on my channel over here, I have a few posts which I've made, a few images which I've posted. I post ads, I post pics and other stuff just to interact with you people out there who view my content. Previously, my friend asked me that how they can do it, how they can post images, how they can make posts on YouTube rather than a video. Now, the only way to do it is that YouTube only sets a few rules such that you can do this. The first rule is that you should be having over 1K subscriber. And that is the only rule actually, which I think I know. You only need to get 1,000 subscribers, and after you getting 1,000 subscribers, you automatically, this option of community will be activated, and you'll be able to post pics, post studio pop-ins, so that you can tell people what you're bringing out to your channel. You can interact with them, you can post at least your updates, you can do shout out to people so that you can advertise some other channels and other things. But the only way you can do it is for you to first get 1K subs, and then this community tab will be posted. So initially it is not there, and even if you're using the PC version, it won't be there. So after that, when it's being activated, you're free to choose. You can choose image, the image you want to choose, or you want to post, or as well you can sorry about this, you can create a poll. Okay, cancel this. You can create a poll just like the one you're seeing here. I'm just asking people like which video application they're using most, because of the content I'm about to upload. So I'll need some reviews of what people post, or you can post a very short video just like the way you're seeing here. If the video is there, you can as well search it, or you can post the you can search the word or the title of that video, or you can search the URL that is if but as well you make sure you read about this, that if your URL is correct, your video will take a few seconds to be uploaded. But remember, using copyright content can cause copyright infringement to happen. Now if you have you can choose among your videos and you post a few videos which you have, and this advert will run over on YouTube. So that's how you can get the community tab being activated on your YouTube channel, only and only by getting 1K subscribers. And the only way you can do it, there's no any other way. If there is any other way, well, don't forget to leave that in the comment box of this video, so that I'll get to know which other way, I'll be able to search about it, and if it is possible, well, I'll approve your comment just like any other comments you see on this channel. With that, I remain Scott. Meet another video. God bless you.